Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Dipanjan Kumar Dey. Today I will explain another important topic on Python programming. In this lecture, the learner will be able to understand the script mode. In my previous video, I already explained in interactive mode. In this video, the learner will be able to understand the script mode and how to run Python code in skip mode. I will explain clearly, then I will show how it works in VS Code. Okay, so and in the last of this session, the learner will also understand that the difference between skip mode and interactive mode. These are the outcomes of this session. Okay, let's start the skip mode. In the skip mode, a Python program can be written in a file. That means when you have to write a program, then you have to open a file, go to file, then open a file, then write your program. This file can be saved after writing, then the save and executed using the command prompt. Okay, so the following points are very important for skip mode. We can view the code at any time by opening the file, and editing becomes quite easy. That means we had seen in previous video that in interactive mode we can't edit the file, we can't save the file. Once the program run, then you can't see in the next time. But in a skip mode, you can see you can save the code, you can open the file, then edit also. You can edit the file. How to edit the file, I'll show in the VS Code. Okay, so next point, you can open and view the entire code as many times as we want. That means as many times. Suppose after 2 days, after 3 days, you can see the file, you can run the file, you can edit the file also. After 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 year, no problem. You can save the file. Okay, but in skip mode we can't. Okay, next point is, in the skip mode we can write n number of lines with multiple operations, but we cannot in interactive mode. That means n number of line of codes we can write in script mode, but in interactive mode we can write only one line of code, and then immediate result you will get, that immediate output. In the very next line we will get the output in interactive mode. But here n number of lines, n number of code you can write in script mode. When the code is very large, that means we can use skip mode, not interactive mode. Okay, after writing the code, save the file using .py extension. Okay, this is very important. Using .py extension, I will explain it later. Just okay. In the standard Python shell, you can simply click file, then choose new, or press Ctrl+N to open the blank script where you can input your code. Save the code is quite by pressing Ctrl+S. Similarly, running a script in it as easy as the key, that is F5. Okay, F5. Okay, so what this point says that? So first go to script mode, then open it, then go to new, open a file. That is, we can open the file by Ctrl+N if you press Ctrl plus N, then you will get a blank script where you can input your code. Okay, input your, save the code. After writing the code, then you have to save. You can save the file by a name, or that is Control plus S. You can use Control plus S, then you can give a name of the file. Okay, similarly, then you can open the file, then pressing the key F5 for running. Okay, now how to run the script mode in, how to run the Python code in script mode. This is very important. There are some steps I have written here for you. So how to run the Python code in script mode. In order to run a code in script mode, follow the following steps. Okay, step 1, make the file using a text editor. You can use any text editor of your choice. You can use Notepad, you can use VI editor or Linux, Unix, etc. as you like. Okay, as you like. But here I am using VS Code editor. Okay, so now next point, after writing the code, save the file using PI extension. I told what do you mean by PI? I told it. I'll tell you later. PY, sorry, not PI, dot PY, sorry, using dot PY extension. Dot PY means it indicates that the code has written in Python. That means you have to write the name. Suppose you can save when you have to save the file, you have to give the name. Suppose you can write your name dot PI. Then you have to give dot PI, dot PY, sorry, dot PY. Dot PY indicates that the code has written in Python. Okay. Next step after saving, that is now open the command prompt and command directory to the where your file is stored. Okay, you have to search the file where your file is stored, then type Python file name, give the file name .py and press enter. You will see the output of your command prompt. This is the procedure how to write a code, then how to save the file and how to run the file. These are the steps you have to follow this. Then I have to show how a program is running in VS Code, that is script mode. Okay, so for example, suppose write the Python code in script mode. Let us consider a simple program to print the message, hello, welcome to Python, how are you, goodbye, on the console. Okay, this statement we have to run. Okay, here I am using the Visual Studio Code, that is shortly VS Code. We can say Visual Studio Code, or shortly you can say VS Code. It is a powerful source code editor. It is very powerful source code editor. Okay, so you can use other way, that is ideally you can use some Jupyter, you can somebody using Jupyter. Okay, I am using here in Visual Studio Code because it is very powerful source code editor. You can download it by code.visualstudio.com. by this way you can download it. Okay, now how to run, that is, hello, welcome to Python, how are you, goodbye. So this is the command I have written here, then I will show it in VS Code. Okay, just after that, print, you have to write print hello, welcome to Python. Hello, welcome to Python. This you have to write within a single quote or within double quote. Don't use, here is single quote, starting single quote, ending double quote is not possible. It will show error. Okay, so either you have to write hello, welcome to Python within single quote or double quote, not mixed. Okay, then next line, how are you. Okay, print how are you, then print goodbye. So all these three all these three messages I have to show how it is running. Save the app. After writing this code, save the code written in script mode by some name using .py extension. I already explained .py extension. So note that if you do not save the above code by some specific name, then by default the Python interpreter will save it using the name untitled.py. You can see the name. That means, suppose if you have forgotten to save the, after writing the code, you have forgotten to save it, then it will automatically save by untitled, by the name untitled.py. You can see the name. Okay. So next, after that, after saving the file, next click on the file, then it will be click on save, or press Ctrl+S. Ctrl+S, by this way you can save it. Ctrl+S, it will save. To run the Python program, click on run button and then run module. Go to run module, then click it. It will automatically run. Okay. Alternatively, you can also press Ctrl+F5 to run the program. After clicking the run module, you will see the output of the program if it has written correctly. If it has written correctly, then after clicking run module, you will see the output of the program if it has written correctly. That means either you can use, that is Ctrl+F5. Be careful. Ctrl+F5, you can press it, then it will run. Okay. And in VS Code you will see, I'll show, there is a sign. You can press that button, then it will run. Okay, I'll show it. Okay, later. Okay. Now after that, if your code has written correctly, then you will see the output like this. The output is hello, welcome to Python, how are you, goodbye. Okay, this will be okay. Now I have written here a program. I will run it and I will show how. Okay, so now you will see, I am showing how this message, that is hello, welcome to Python, how are you, goodbye, how it is running in Python. Okay, in VS Code. Okay, in VS Code. Okay, now you will see just what I am doing here. Just open a file. You see, this is my VS Code. This is my VS Code. Just open the file. Sorry, new file. Okay, go to new file. Just I am going for new file. Just select here. That is, select a language, that is Python. Just wait. Okay, just I am writing here, that is print. Just follow me what I am doing. Print, then I am writing, suppose what you have to write, hello. What you have to write the message, hello, welcome to Python. Say hello in double quote, hello. Just follow me, I am writing hello, welcome to Python. Welcome to Python. just I have written in double quote, just I have written in double quote, then another, just I am writing print, then I am writing hello, sorry, how are you? Just follow me what I am doing. How are you? How are you? How are you? Just you see, I have written here, how are you? So you can edit here. Suppose in the first line, hello, welcome to my welcome to Python. Suppose is there any mistake, you can go in the first line also. This is called editing. This is called editing, but you can't do in interactive mode. This is actually I am doing in script mode. That means you can edit, you can save, you can run also. Okay, and not in single line code. You can write n number of line of code you can write. So how are you? I have written. Next I want to write, that is goodbye. Say goodbye. Sorry, you have to write the print command. Print goodbye. Goodbye. Okay. Okay. These three messages I have written here. You see. Now I want to save the program. So how to save the program? I already told. How to save the program? What I told? How to save the program? Control S. Control S. So Control S. So Control S. Then it will save. Just follow me. I am saving this. Suppose I am writing, suppose Dipanjan, Dipanjandey, Dipanjan Dey dot py. Py means it indicates that it is a Python programming. Okay. Now you see the save button. Just file name I have written dipanjandey.py. Just I am save the button. Save. So this you see here in the left side, you see dipanjandey.py. That is this is already saved. Now you can run. Okay. You can run. I told you I'll show that this signal, that is triangular, that is this sign is run. So I am just pressing this, or you can see the control plus F5 to run the program. I am just clicking here. You see already you have run. The program has run. You see the program has run. That is hello, welcome to Python. How are you? Goodbye. Okay. How are you? Goodbye. Okay. So this runs the that is the program, that is hello, welcome to Python. How are you? Goodbye. Hello, welcome to Python. How are you? Goodbye. Now the question is, I am editing just one portion. You see, suppose I am not writing here print. This third one. See, I am not writing print. Third one. First one print. But third one I am not giving the print command. So whether it will run or not, you see, it will, you see, yes, you see, third one, that is goodbye, there is an error. Goodbye. Hello, welcome to Python. How are you? But goodbye is not showing in the in this here. That is not running goodbye because print command is not there. So one thing you must understand that in script mode always you have to give print command. Okay, but in in interactive mode, no need to write print. Okay, anything you can write, then it will run in print mode. Okay, I'll show it how it run in interactive mode also. Okay, so now one thing I will say, I am writing here print also. Just I am writing here print. Print command is there. Then I am writing print command again. I am running this. It will run. You see, yes. Now it okay. You see, hello, welcome to Python. How are you? And goodbye. These are in first line, second line, third line. You can run this. You can run these three. You can run these three in a single line also. In single line also by. In single line also, you can run this in single line also using the end argument. I am showing these three messages we have to write in a single line, not first line, second line and third line. That means hello, welcome to Python, how are you, goodbye. This will I want to write, I want to see in a single line. So how? So just I am using end argument. I am using end argument. So after that, just I am using here, you see, end argument. That is, give the comma over here. Then you have to write end, END, end. Then equal to, end equal to, then semicolon. Sorry. Then okay, same thing here I am doing here. You just see comma, end, then equal to, then semicolon. Then also here just wait, end comma, then end, END, end equal to, then then single quote. Okay, now using end argument, if you use end argument, then these three messages will make a line, not like hello, welcome to Python, how are you, goodbye. Not in three line, in one line it will show. Okay, just I have written here. Now I am just running this code. See, yes, you see the output. Hello, welcome to Python, how are you, goodbye, in a single line using end statement. Okay, now I'm just changing. You will see. So how to run a message in skip mode, you understood now. Now I am giving some program for your practice. I have written here, you have to practice these two programs I have given here. Now program 1 and program 2. Write a program to display the message hello world and goodbye. Each of these three messages, three messages should be displayed on a different line. Like different line means first hello, second line world, then third line is goodbye. Now using the that is end argument, second one I have written same thing. Write a program to make use of the end argument and display the message hello world and goodbye in one line. That means you have to use here end argument, which I already just a couple of minutes ago I have shown in VS Code. Okay, now next, the last topic of this session. I will show, that is what is the difference between interactive mode and skip mode. In interactive mode, just you see, it is more suitable for writing very short program. For very short program, that is one line of code, then interactive mode you have to use. it is, and skip mode, it is more suitable for writing long program. Code cannot be saved and cannot be used in future. That is, in interactive mode you can't save the program, you can't used it in future, but code can be saved and can be used in future in skip mode. We get the output for every line, every single line of code in interactive mode. In skip mode, entire program first you have to write, then you will see, then it will execute. In interactive mode runs very quickly and gives the instant output. That means the output will come very shortly, but in skip mode it will take time, more time to run the program in skip mode. Okay, next, last point, it is more preferred, that is interactive mode is more preferred by beginners, it is more preferred by expert. That is, skip mode is more preferred by those who are expert. Okay, now you can see, last one, you can see how interactive mode that is, here I can write, here I can change this in interactive mode by writing just Python. You have to write over here Python, just Python I am writing here Python, then enter, then it will come in interactive mode. Suppose in interactive mode, I already told instant result will come. Suppose I am writing, suppose 3 plus 5, then immediate result. You see the 8, answer is 8. 3 into 5, that comes instant rate, sorry, 3 into 5, that comes instant result, that is 15. So these are interactive mode, and in the above here, this is the skip mode. I think everybody understood very clearly. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you very much. Thank you.